Hey guys, this is a MicroCenter. This micro SD card is from MicroCenter. It's branded, it's a MicroCenter branded SD card. Just so you know, MicroCenter does not make SD cards, they just buy from a company that brands it for them. So I got this pretty cheap on Amazon. I'm gonna put the price in the video. So it's a pretty okay price for a 64GB 2-pack micro SD card. So I'm gonna open this. This is not much of an unboxing because there's really not much to unbox. So this is it, I guess. Prints. Okay, so this is, it comes with an adapter to SD, and this is the SD card. So I bet this can do up to full HD recording. I don't know about 4K. I wouldn't recommend this for 4K. I don't think it's gonna hold up long recording 4K, but I'm pretty confident it should do 1080p, or maybe use as a SD card for drone footage, which should work fine. So that's it. I'm gonna pin up some crystal disc scores for you guys so you can check it out, the speeds I got for my drives, and let you guys know if there's anything that you guys should be aware about. But for now, it seems okay. So like, share, and subscribe to Quick Take for more news and awesome reviews and unboxing. This is Kaniel. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.